Hey guys and gals, welcome to Zim's channel again here. I'm going to continue on. Made my mount for the Badland Winch to mount in the back of a truck, and I'm going to make a receiver on my trailer. Here's what we're going to do. We got a truck and four-wheel drive, e-brakes on. We're going to see if the old Badlands can pull it. We're going to hook her to a tree right here, this big old cottonwood. I think we'll be all right, but who knows? Got my bush light. We're gonna get started here. Open the freewheel here. Okay, before you do anything, you need to have a beer. Because if you don't, it just makes it better. Here we go. Single line pull. What could possibly go wrong? It's pulling it. 8,600-pound diesel truck. Got it working. Probably should be using a snatch block and not double winding it, but I want to see what this winch can do. So far, so good. I like it. Looks like the old mount working pretty good. Alright, we'll give her a rest there. I think we got it good. Here's a closer look up to my mount here. And we'll give you an idea what it sounds like up close. Now my battery pretty quiet winch. Not bad, I like it. And just flip the transmission there and freewheel it. Works pretty good. Okay guys, thanks for watching Zim's channel. Please subscribe. It helps me out a lot. I got another couple videos on this winch. Thanks for watching.